Work drains all your energy, and those precious few hours after work, that little bit of stolen freedom, how could you possibly waste it sleeping? Binge watching, scrolling, late night snacking, but then you look in the mirror and there's that sleep-deprived skin. Dullness, sagging, enlarged pores, dry patches everywhere. Yeah.
It's not pretty.
The more you stay up, the worse your skin gets. The worse it looks, the more anxious you feel. No, you're not imagining things. This is your exhausted skin screaming for help. Why does staying up late ruin your skin?
Simple.
It completely wrecks your skin's natural rhythm. Between 10 p.m. and 2 a.m. is prime repair time. If you're not sleeping, your skin is not healing. That's when dullness shows up. Oil to water balance,
Gone.
skin barrier,
fragile,
dryness, oiliness, redness, irritation, all of it. And here's the brutal part. Poor circulation means less oxygen for your skin. That's why you're looking duller, those dark circles keep getting worse, plus lack of sleep messes with your hormones. Clogged pores, breakouts, enlarged pores, they all come knocking. So when people say, late night ruins your skin, trust me, it's not fear-mongering.
It's a fact.
But don't freak out, here's your quick rescue plan. 3 golden rules for reviving your skin. Hydrate, repair, don't make it worse. Right now, immediately follow these steps. Step 1, hydrate like crazy, calm it down first. Sleep-deprived skin, a greasy desert. Grab your soothing toner or hydrating mist and really slather them on. Look for B5 hyaluronic acid, centella. These ingredients help put out the fire and quench the thirst for dehydration. This is your skin's first line of defense. Step 2, repair that barrier. Why the dryness, oiliness, redness? Your skin barrier's broken. Time to load up on barrier repair serums and creams. Ceramides, cholesterol, B5, centella, these are the bricks and mortar your skin desperately needs. Seal the cracks, lock the hydration, build back resilience. Step 3, stop making it worse.
Listen up.
Post-sleepless skin, it's fragile as hell. Acids,
No.
scrubs,
No.
harsh additives,
No.
essential oils.
please don't. Please don't.
Keep it as simple as possible. Let your skin rest and recover. That's the priority. Already dry, flaky, red like a tomato? Add an extra step. Thick layer of soothing mask for 10 minutes. Barrier repair oil, press it gently, okay? Cold towel, chill it down. And no, staying up late doesn't mean your skin is beyond saving. The moment you start hydrating, repairing, and treating it kindly, your skin will slowly show you that it's getting better. Skin's just like people. How you treat it is how it treats you back.
Don't panic.
Don't give up.
Your skin is stronger than you think. Give it a few days, your glow will come back. If there's a face worth saving, don't give up on it so easily. But hey, let's be real. The fastest, most effective skincare of all? Put down your phone and go to bed. Late nights ruin skin, sleep saves it. Always has, always will.